Hello everyone, this is my review of the Ryobi multi-tool. This tool is cordless. It uses a battery, an 18-volt battery. It's pretty lightweight and easy to handle with one hand. And it has a locking feature so you can keep the trigger depressed and you don't have to hold it down while you're using it. And you can adjust the speeds here for it to vibrate. It doesn't reciprocate, it vibrates. So you can use it for scraping and for sanding. That's what this tool is mostly used for. Okay, let me show you it with the battery in. You just press down here, adjust that, and turn on. It also has a light that comes on so you can see what you're doing, especially using it at night. So this is my review of this multi-tool, and I hope this review helps.